So in this question, we've been asked what value of x makes the mean of the first four numbers in the list equal to the mean of the last three. So the way to do this is to just highlight the first four numbers and separately the last three numbers. So now we know that the mean is the total divided by the sample size. So if we look at the first four numbers, the mean will be the total of the 5 plus the 10 plus the 12 plus the x. And you can see we've got a sample size of 4, so we'll divide this by 4. And then we can add up these like terms on our numerator, and we get 27 plus x over 4. If we now look at the last three numbers, well, again, the mean will be the total, this time x plus 6 plus 12, divided by the new sample size of 3. And again, we can simplify our numerator, so x plus 18 over 3. And we're told here that these two expressions are equal. So our equation comes from making these two equal. So now we've got two fractions that are equal to each other. We can cancel out the denominators by multiplying both sides of this equation by the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. So we multiply both by 12. When you multiply this by 12, we'll have 12 lots of 27 plus x over 4 will equal 12 lots of x plus 18 over 3. And then we can divide this 12 by 4 to get 3. So 3 lots of 27 plus x will equal, and we can divide this 12 by this 3 to make 4. 4 lots of x plus 18. Now we can expand out the brackets. We get 81 plus 3x will equal 4x plus 72. We can move these positive 3x's to the other side. So 81 will equal 4x take away the 3x plus the 72. And then we can move this positive 72 to the left-hand side. So 81 take away the 72 will give us 9. And this will be the value of x. Okay?